Good day everyone, I am Joanna Marie Tagalog from BSE 2D, and in this video we're going to talk about the Dual Language Program. Dual Language Program is one of the instructional program models used for teaching English. It is a form of education wherein students are taught literacy and academic content in two languages. There are classes or subjects on part of the day that uses the majority language, and there are also classes or subjects on another part of the day that uses the partner language. Based on our previous discussion about bilingualism, we can consider this program as an additive bilingual program, wherein instead of extinguishing the learner's first language, they use that as a scaffolding or as a support on mastering or on acquiring another language. In that way, learners' first language will be strengthened and at the same time it will be developed. The aim of this program is quite similar to the aim of the bilingual proficiency. It aims for bilingualism, biliteracy, and biculturalism. It aims for the students to be able to speak fluently using the two languages used in the program model. It also aims for the students to be able to read and write in two languages. It also aims for the students to be culturally competent, for the students to be sensitive and aware for the other culture, particularly to the culture of the speakers of the partner language. Dual language program can be classified in two different ways. First, it could be the one-way dual language program, and second, it could also be the two-way dual language program. Let's talk about first the one-way dual language program. One-way dual language program, all students participating in the program are all from one of the two languages used in the program model. For example, there is this school, let's say St. Anselm Academy. In St. Anselm Academy, they use English and Filipino as a language of instruction. There are classes or subjects that are taught in English like mathematics and science. And there are also subjects that are taught in Filipino like Araling Panlipunan and Panitikan at Pagbasa. In one-way dual language program, all students enrolled in St. Anselm Academy are all Filipino speakers. None of them are English native speakers. Therefore, the mastery of the partner language will depend on the instructional materials provided by school and the proficiency of the teachers on the both languages used in the program model. Unlike in two-way dual language program, wherein students themselves can contribute to the mastery of both languages used in the program model. Because in two-way dual language program, a class is composed of two groups of students. One group speaks one of the languages used in the program model and another group speaks the other. Let's say, for example, a group of Filipino speaker and a group of English speaker students. In two-way dual language program, teacher let them associated with one another and the teacher let them do collaborative and cooperative tasks. By doing so, both Filipino and English students support each other to become bilingual, bicultural, and biliterate. At the end of the one-way and two-way dual language program, all students are expected to learn both language in academic level. Just like any other program model, dual language program has its pros and its cons. In terms of advantage, this program is the most socially inclusive program because students feel valued, their differences are respected, and they do not need to isolate themselves just to study or learn the target language. And in this program, being an additive bilingual program is another advantage because it not just developed the partner language, but it also developed the home language of the students. And based on some experts, they say that the use of home language is seen to develop the critical thinking skill and the communication skills of the students. In terms of its disadvantages, as I have said earlier, one of the key factors on making this program effective is the proficiency of the faculty or the teacher on both languages used in the program model. Here in the Philippines, if our target language is English, there is not much problem about it because we have a lot of competitive and proficient English teacher. However, if our target language is different, let's say for example Spanish or Mandarin, that is where the problem begins. Unfortunately, the pool of teachers qualified or proficient on those languages is quite small. So that is the problem about this program. And that's the end of my presentation about dual language program. I hope that you've learned something and thank you for watching.